Thinking Duolingo will magically transform you into a fluent French speaker. Let's find out if this green owl is your best bet, or just a cute distraction. First, the good stuff. Duolingo's vocab lessons are fantastic for building a foundation. The visual aids and audio pronunciation help you memorize new words quickly. Notice how the app uses images to associate the word with a concept. But here's where it stumbles: grammar. Duolingo introduces grammar concepts bit by bit, but it often lacks in-depth explanations. See how I got this wrong? The app tells you the correct answer, but not why it's correct. The app does offer various exercise types: translation, listening, and even speaking. These are great for reinforcing what you've learned. However, the speaking feature can be a bit forgiving with pronunciation, so don't rely solely on it. So, is Duolingo good for learning French? It's a great starting point. Perfect for building vocabulary and getting used to the language. But you'll definitely need to supplement it with other resources: grammar books, French movies, and real-life conversations if you want to achieve fluency. Ultimately, Duolingo is a valuable tool, but it's just one piece of the French learning puzzle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. And now, tell me in the comments, what are your favorite French learning resources?